This video goes over question 11 to the business optimization assignment. The cost per hour for fuel to run a train is V squared over $15, where V is the speed of the train in miles per hour. Note that the cost goes up as the square of the speed. Other costs, including labor, are $360 per hour. How fast should the train travel on a 420-mile trip to minimize the total cost for the trip? So thinking back to unit analysis in physics or chemistry, the number of hours that the trip takes is going to be 420 miles divided by the velocity in miles per hour. So miles divided by miles will cancel to ones, and 1 over hours is hours. So my number of hours for the trip is going to be 420 over V, and the units on that are going to be hours. Now I need to calculate my cost function as a function of velocity. So we're supposed to write the total cost function as a function of the speed, or I'm calling it velocity. So C at V is going to be V squared over $15 per hour times the number of hours, which is 420 over V. Then plus $360 per hour times the number of hours, which is 420 over V. Now, I'm going to just go ahead and put this whole expression in the calculator and have the calculator work it out. So menu 3, expand, and I'm going to do the V squared over 15 times a new fraction, 420 over V, and then that's going to be plus 360 times a new fraction, 420 over V. So there's my expression for cost as a function of velocity. And this is what I want to minimize, so I'm going to take the derivative of that, shift minus V is now my variable, tab to get into this rectangle, up arrow to highlight my derivative, take the derivative. Now I want to set that equal to 0 and solve for x. Menu, algebra, 1 for solve, go up and grab the derivative, set it equal to 0, solve for the variable V, and this is going to come out to a nasty decimal, so I'm going to get I want a decimal answer, and I need to put in my cost function first, so that's going to be 28V, then plus a new fraction, 151,200, 151,200 over V. Check that answer, well done. The train should travel at blank, and it's going to be miles per hour. To minimize the total cost for the trip, type an integer or decimal rounded to 2 decimal places as needed. So we're going to get 2 decimal places. This is a quadratic, so it's going to be 2 different answers. The negative answer doesn't make sense, so we're going to take the positive answer. So it's going to be 73.48 miles per hour. 73.48. Check the answer. Excellent. And that concludes this video.